Hi, I am Ranjitha. I completed my MCA in 2023. During my on-campus placement, I got rejected in 2 or more companies because of my low technical skills. So then I got an offer in QSpiders. Here I choose the Java full stack development. Thank you Nandi sir for taking me the Java in an easy, and it was very helpful to learn Java. And thank you for your support, and your way of teaching is very interesting, and it makes me to learn new things in one day. And thank you for your huge support sir. Then I thank Nagaraj sir who helped me to crack my technical skills inquiry very easily. Thank you so much sir. And my special thanks to Karnika ma'am, Tamil Selvan sir, and Vandana ma'am. Thank you for all, and thank you Rubini ma'am and Goklapriya ma'am for helping me to placed in a good company. Thank you so much.